Hi everyone, this is Dr. Pillay with CME Travel Academy. We know you have many choices in your CME providers. We'd like to share a few reasons why you choose our company, CME Travel Academy. The first and foremost is that we focus on the things that you see the most. We focus on the top chronic conditions in America, and we make sure that every one of our slides is referenced with the latest guidelines from the Specialty Society as well as the latest clinical trials. We also provide spaced repetition so you can maximize your learning. After the conference ends, we enroll you in our spaced repetition course where you get questions delivered to you electronically on a quarterly basis, monthly basis, and even weekly basis in the beginning. This is to help you make sure that you remember what you learn and incorporate it into your practice. In that same effort, we want to make sure that you deliver chronic disease care in the most evidence-based fashion. Therefore, we're providing our one-page references free of charge to all clinicians, residents, and medical students. Feel free to share these resources with anyone that you think would benefit because we want to make sure that everyone is able to access good quality evidence for the top chronic conditions in America. If you like what you see, we hope to see you at one of our conferences coming up in 2025 or 2026. Welcome to CME Travel Academy. We hope to help you travel and learn. Thank you again.